paper burning treatment. Now this is also very effective both for the left and the right side. Basically, paper burning treatment, when we do, very important is we cannot write anything relating to Sri Mataji's name, deity's name, or chakra's name, or Kundalini and all that. You should not write. We can write any negativities only in the paper burning, because we are burning the paper. Writing a letter is different from paper burning treatment. Now, how do you do the paper burning treatment is, there are two ways of doing paper burning treatment. If you are doing a small paper burning treatment, you can take a small paper, or even this paper is fine. But in this, just write your name and then you will circle it together with the writing. Like first write your name and then down the name, whatever problems, no, this is the first type I'm showing. So whatever problems you have, for example, we can say that Prashant will have a, for example, job problem. So he will write all badhas stopping me to get a good job in Dubai. So that is, you are writing the badhas which is stopping you to get a good job in Dubai. So what happens is the badhas are burnt. That's the idea. So he has written it like this. Now you circle it 7 times. The whole thing with the name and the wordings. You are circling this 7 times along with the name and the wordings. Yeah. And then you can fold it and keep it in front of Sri Mataji. Yeah. You can keep this again half an hour to 1 hour. And the same method with the tin in the balcony, you can burn it using a tong, keeping the camphor, putting the fire. Yeah, you can do like this. Now when you write, you can even write 1 or 2, 3 problems together also in that. So any problem you can write, always write like this: all negativity attacking my job, all badhas, attacking my anything like that, any kind of problems if you have, accordingly you can write. Suppose you have a physical sickness, you can write the name of the physical sickness and burn it also. If you have too much thoughts, you can just write all my thoughts, all my overactive attention, all like that. Directly you can write the bad problem, all my anger, any directly quality problem, all my jealousy, like this, all my fear, directly you can write. But if you are writing about something which the negativity is attacking you and that's why you're not able to get through the whole thing, then you can say all badhas attacking my attention, all badhas attacking my innocence, like that. Suppose there is a problem with the chastity. So we are not writing like directly, then we can write all badhas attacking my innocence. That means the badhas are burnt. If you are writing all the unchased problems in me, so directly we are writing unchanged. So the idea is, logically we are burning the negative aspect of the problem. Now the second method of paper burning is, you can write first your name. 3 parts we will divide the paper into. This treatment is called false guru paper burning treatment. Okay, now you circle the name only 7 times first. 7 times you circle the name. Yeah. Then the next part, yeah, you write all false gurus. You don't write the name of any false guru, just write all false gurus. And then circle that 7 times. Always do it with a pencil. Yeah. And the down part, any false gurus you must have remembered, false guru, anybody has come in our dream, any past problems we have had with the false gurus, like we have followed some false gurus, all these names we can write one by one and put comma and keep on writing. And also anybody in your life who have cheated you, who have wrongly influenced you, like suppose with friends, you must have got very wrong negative talks and negative influences. You must have got, you must have completely got into wrong methods in life because of some particular relative, friend or neighbor. It can be a lot of people like this in your life. Sometimes, movies, directors also affect you a lot. Some romantic songs of some directors. So you write those names in the down third part. After writing one by one all the names, whoever you remember that they have spoiled your good state or attacked you in a wrong way, even men or women whom you have been wrongly associated with or wrongly thinking about, like flirtatious nature with any past ladies or past girls or boys in our college days, anything, it's all past. We can write all the names and again circle it 7 times. In only all those things, whatever you written, circle it 7 times, and then do a complete circle of all the 3 together. That is 7 times again. So when you do a complete circle 7 times, yeah. Now like this, yeah. Can you bring it closer here also? I think it is glaring. Yeah. I think it is glaring actually. I think you can see this. Yeah. See, he's written his name, all false guru, and then whatever problems, everything has been circled, and then bigger circle has been put on the paper. Yeah. Now you fold it and then keep it in front of Shri Mataji, and then we can burn it same method using the tin. So these are all things whenever you feel like doing, whenever you have been affected, you can keep doing this and then keep it overnight and then burn it. Even for children, when they have a bigger problem like crying, particularly sometimes children keep on crying for no reason. So when they keep on crying like this, Shri Mataji has personally asked the mothers to write the problems, like, all badhas attacking from the neighborhood, from the building around, from the problems from the people around in the house, write like that, which makes the child which makes the child to cry. You can write like that and then circle it and then keep it in front of Shri Mataji and then burn it morning. Like this, she has said to people to do this continuously throughout the week, throughout the month and all that, so that the nazar can be clear. So this is the way we do this treatment. So these are all the treatments, string knotting, paper burning I've covered. How to do the vibrated water. Now you can take some vibrated water, take some water in the silver or copper glass. Better to use glass, silver or copper, because if you use some other like steel and all that, the vibrations will get less. Plastic should never be used, and the best is to use the silver glass or the original glass itself. So now what you do is, when we keep the water, always you've been doing it earlier, but now clearly you should understand the vibrations start flowing into the water when you keep in front. So already, there are 2 ways of doing it. Show the left hand towards Shri Mataji and keep the water down, keep it down. Yeah, left hand towards Shri Mataji. So you're becoming a medium. You're receiving the vibrations, and you show your hands, right hand towards the water down. Yeah. See, this is the procedure. When you show like this, now what happens is the vibrations from your receiving palm goes into the water. So now you say, Shri Mataji, please vibrate the water, and you can say Om Tameva Sakshat, Shri Jaladevata Sakshat, Shri Adishakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Deviye Namo Namaha. When you say like this and keep this water, the water gets vibrated. After getting vibrated, you can even show your palm above the water. When you feel vibrations on your own self, you can vibrate the water also like that. So when you vibrate the water, then you keep this water in front of Shri Mataji, at least minimum overnight. After that, you can start using it. Now, when you use this water, you can also put little salt in the water or little sugar. Both you can do. Now, why we put little salt? When we are a left-sided person, you can use a small amount of salt in it. When you are a right-sided person, you can put little amount of sugar in it, so that can cleanse your channel accordingly. So this is about the vibrated water. So regularly you can keep the vibrated water like this, and you can mix this with your original water water jug. So it will be very good. The whole house also has only vibrated water. So this is a very very powerful mantra. So this is a very good thing. You can also say Samudra Devata also, Jala Devata also. Everything is all about the clearing of the water. If you see the string, you can see a twine like a thing, the thread kind of a thing in the, you can see this. It's a twine or a thread which can be used, or maybe we can also use the cotton threads, which is pure cotton in nature. They have this big kind of a thing in India, but that is again not easily available everywhere. If it is not there, twine threads can be bought like this. And now what we'll do is, we'll have to have a disposable cup with a mustard oil. Now you can see mustard oil you get everywhere. You can just put it in the disposable cup, little of mustard oil, 1 or 2 tablespoons. Yeah, and then keep it in front of Shri Mataji for vibrating it. Keep the mustard oil for vibrating it. Now what we do is, this string actually, we will be starting to put the knots. Now when you put the knots, actually this is a very very powerful treatment for the left channel. Like one knot when you put, you will start from the down part, that is every chakra we are going to put a knot. So the first knot, it is for the left Mooladhara. Now the second knot will be for the left Swadhisthana. So like this. Now what do you do when you put the first knot for the left Mooladhara? After putting the knot, you will be keeping that knot on the Mooladhara place on your palms. So you keep there and hold it. Yeah. You will hold it with both the palms like this. So this is how you, that area is the Mooladhara point. So you are going to hold both the palms area with that knot. And now we will request Shri Mataji, please remove all the badhas in my left Mooladhara chakra into this knot. So when you pray like this, and then you can say two mantras. One is you can say Nirmal Ganesha Sakshat. Another one is the deity of the left Mooladhara. Another one is Shuddha Ichcha, because this is a pure desire to clear all the badhas. So both mantras can be said while holding this knot in your palms. After that, go to the second knot. Now when you put the second knot, the first knot has to go inside the second knot. This is the most important point I am saying. See, the first knot is going inside the second knot. Yeah, not from this side of the thread. You are going to do from the already put knot side of the thread. That is how you are going to put the second knot. Yeah, can I show it more closer how we have done it? See, how I am trying to tell you, this is the first knot. Now when you put this second knot, the first knot will go inside the, like this. See, it is going to go inside and then only this knot has come. So third knot is like that. So once you do with the knot inside, that is the way to do it correctly. So after the second knot, now you know the chakra point on the palm area is the thumbs. So both the thumb you can hold the second knot, and then you pray to Shri Mataji about removing all the badhas attacking our left Swadhisthana chakra, and then we can say the mantra of Shri Nirmal Vidya or Shuddha Ichcha or Shuddha Vidya. These are three deities in the left Swadhisthana. After saying one of the mantra, then you can say Shuddha Ichcha mantra also, and then we can finish the second knot. Okay. Then the third knot, again same way. See how he is putting the knot should go inside the the three knots should go inside. The two knots should go inside the third knot when you put it. Now this is the middle finger is the point for the Nabhi chakra. So you have to hold like this. Then pray to Shri Mataji to remove all the badhas in the left Nabhi chakra, and then Shri Grahalakshmi Sakshat and Shri Shuddha Ichcha Sakshat. So both mantras will be said. Shri Mataji, please remove all the badhas attacking my left Nabhi chakra. This is how you pray and finish the third knot. Now fourth knot. The three knots will go inside the for the fourth knot. Yeah. So he's taking the knots inside through the fourth knot outside. Yeah. Now fourth knot. So you can see now, just show them. See, it's coming from down. First knot is the first one is the Mooladhara. Second one is Swadhisthana, Nabhi, and then the fourth knot is a heart. So it's coming from down to up. Yeah. So now for the heart, actually, for the void you have to do. So first for the void, what we are going to do is around the palm area. You just keep it around the palm. Void is the point where it is around the palm. Yeah. He's just showing the palm area, and then you can close it with both the palms. Yeah. And then close it with both the palms like this, and then pray, Shri Mataji, please remove all the badhas attacking my Bhavasagra or void area. Then you can say the mantra of Shri Adiguru Dattatreya, and then Shuddha Ichcha mantra also can be said. After that, we go to the heart chakra. Then, so the little finger is the point. So you keep there. Then you say, Shri Mataji, please remove all the badhas attacking my left heart chakra. Then here we can say Shiva Parvati mantra and Shuddha Ichcha mantra. After saying this, then we pray to Mother to remove all the badhas into the knot. Then go to the next chakra, which is the Vishuddhi chakra. Again the same thing, knot inside, and it is so it is left Vishuddhi chakra. So the point is index finger. Yeah, holding with the both index finger. Now you pray, Shri Mataji, please remove all the badhas attacking my left Vishuddhi chakra into that knot, into this knot. Like that you can pray, and then say Shri Vishnu Maya Sakshat, and then take the mantra of Shri Shuddha Ichcha mantra, and then you can pray for some time and then move on to the next chakra. So now next chakra is the Agya Chakra. Now the final chakra is the Agya Chakra. So when you put the Agya Chakra knot, ring finger you can hold it. Yeah. You can hold it in the ring finger and pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please remove all the badas attacking my left Agya Chakra into this knot. So you can say Shri Mahavira Sakshat, Shri Shuddhecha Sakshat mantra and finish the prayer for this knot. Now this is the final thing. For the Sahasrara, we don't put the knot. It is only the knot from the Mooladhara, then Swadhisthana, Nabi, Void, then Anahat, that is heart chakra, then Vishuddhi and Agya Chakra. So it is 7 knots without the Sahasrara. So after finishing all these knots, now you will dip that into the oil, mustard oil, the whole, keep it down so that it can be seen. You're going to dip this completely on the, into the oil. You can see it is dipped in the oil completely. After dipping it in the oil, immersed, everything should be immersed in the oil. Then you can keep it in front of Shri Mataji. Actually, when you dip it, the first Mooladhara Chakra knot should first go. Then only you dip it fully. After this, then what you do is, you'll have to keep it for some time. It can be like a little like around half an hour or 1 hour time. After keeping and vibrating it in front of Shri Mataji, you can take a biscuit tin or something. Like we can just show you so that it is easy for you to also do the same. You will have some tin at home like this, a used biscuit tin or an old one. So you can keep this tin in the balcony. This paper burning should not be done in front of the altar. It has to be done in the balcony. After finishing this, when you take it and go for burning, you will take it to the balcony and do it. So what we do is, in the balcony you can keep this biscuit tin and take a tong, and with the help of the tong you can remove the string from the bowl there, and then you can put some camphor in the tin, and then burn the camphor. When the camphor is burning, you can put this knot, you can show it for some time in front of the fire, or after that put it inside also. So you can keep showing and then it can keep getting burnt like this. And slowly, sometimes sounds and all will come, because all our negativity has a powerful negativity. If it is there, the sounds can come while the knot is getting burnt. Otherwise, fumes come fast and it finishes it off like ashes. So I repeat, you put some camphor in the tin there and burn the fire. When the fire is burning, you can show with the tong like this so that it gets burnt. See, you can have a tong like this and hold it so that it keeps on burning. Once it burns half of it, you can then slowly try to bring it down and drop it. So this is how we do it. After finishing it, you can see whether it is fully like ashes, and then put it into the clear it, wash it, and keep this tin for the purpose of using for the purpose of string knotting and paper burning. Even paper burning can be done in the same type of tin like this. So same tong you can hold and put the paper into. After writing the paper any negativity, we burn it like this with the camphor. So that we are not showing again the tin. Now how to do the paper burning, I am just demonstrating now.